Do you think you can't make a great tasting, healthy meal in minutes? I'm going to show you how you can. What I have here is zucchini, goat cheese, marinara sauce, and fresh mozzarella. I've washed the zucchini, and I'm just doing this one zucchini tonight, but you can do lots of them. Zucchini has a few seeds in it. We're going to take the seeds out, just like you are making any kind of a zucchini boat. You're not going to use the seeds. Those are just going to go in my compost bin. Okay, you see there we have the zucchini ready to go, and we're going to stuff it with goat cheese. Now I'm using herb seasoned goat cheese because I think that's really good, but you can use plain if you like. I'm using the parchment paper only because I like easy cleanup. You could just grease the pan as you like. Okay, so there we go. We have our zucchini with goat cheese here. And then I am going to take some of my favorite marinara. You want to use good goat cheese, good marinara, because you only have a few ingredients, and put marinara on the top. I have some fresh mozzarella. I'm going to put that right on top. And that's it. You place this in the oven for 30 minutes at 350, and you have dinner. Those are my goat cheese zucchini boats. Mangia bene.